Hello, friends. I have huge news to share with you this afternoon. There are many changes that could negatively impact millions of senior citizens. Economists have confirmed that the Social Security 8.7% cost of living adjustment could pressure the program's funds, and this may mean smaller monthly benefits sooner for seniors. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video, especially if you receive Social Security benefits. Also, I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. During the months of October, November, and December, I will be giving away surprise $200 gift cards to those of you that have been in this community for several months, as a simple way to say thank you very much. Social Security's average retiree benefit will go up by $146 per month in 2023, and that's thanks to a record 8.7% cost of living adjustment, which was prompted by high inflation. More than 70 million Social Security and supplemental security income beneficiaries will benefit from these higher payments. Andrew Biggs, senior fellow at the American Enterprise Institute, told CNBC News, "It is the highest COLA in 40 years. It shows inflation is a big issue again, after having been dormant for literally decades. But those bigger benefit checks will cost the program, by some calculation, over $100 billion more in payouts. In 2022, the program will spend more than $1 trillion on benefits. This past June, the annual trustees report projected Social Security's trust funds will only be able to pay full benefits until the year 2035, and at which point just 80% of promised payments will be payable. According to the estimates by the Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget, the increased cost may prompt Social Security's funds to reach insolvency at least 1 calendar year earlier than the trustees have projected. Many experts have also expressed great concerns about how the increased benefit costs would affect the program. Shai Akabis, Director of Economic Policy at the Bipartisan Policy Center, also stated, "There is certainly a good chance that this could accelerate the depletion of Social Security's primary trust fund, given where inflation stands right now, unless things dramatically slow down. It seems likely that's going to be exceeded as well." The trustees' report that was released in June estimated a 3.8% COLA for 2023. That was based on data through February. What is more, that same report also projected a COLA of around 2.5% for the year 2024. One key reason for that big concern is wages, which have not been keeping pace with inflation. While inflation rose by 8.7% over the past year, real weekly wages fell by 3.8%. Consequently, the tax revenues that Social Security collects from workers will not go up as fast as the benefit payouts next year. So in 2023, Social Security payroll taxes will apply to $160,200 in wages. That is up from $147,000 this year. But going forward, it is up to Congress to evaluate the program's long-term future and to decide what Social Security's role in providing retirement income should be. So friends, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Spectacle Island. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Spectacle Island, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, do remember that the more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. Some retirees may find they owe taxes on their benefits for the first time ever, while others may be saddled with higher Medicare premiums or see other government aid reduced or taken away altogether. Mary Johnson, a Social Security policy analyst for the Senior Citizens League, has told Yahoo News the higher than expected COLA costs should have long-term implications for Social Security solvency and could potentially move the insolvency date. Currently around 2034, a recession would put additional strain on the program's solvency by reducing the payroll tax revenues received by the trust fund. First, the increased income could result in bigger tax bills. The increased COLA will push some retirees over income thresholds, which are not indexed for inflation, requiring them to pay income taxes on part of their Social Security benefit. Up to 85% of Social Security benefits can be taxable if your income is above $25,000 for single filers or $32,000 for joint filers. Many retirees are facing this tax predicament this year after the 2022 COLA increase of 5.9%. According to the Senior Citizens League's 2022 retirement survey, about 59% of survey participants believe they could be at great risk of higher tax liability this year, while 25% of survey participants say that until 2022, their income household was below the income threshold. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on these new changes? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my beautiful and amazing dear friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me here every single time I post a video. And I truly want you all to know that I greatly appreciate every single one of you. Please stay tuned for future videos when I'll be announcing the winners for the Walmart gift card giveaways. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed day.
I enjoyed so much being back in Tennessee, and over the past week, I really had the pleasure of hearing from so many Tennesseans who are just celebrating having reopened businesses and music venues and public spaces in our communities. There was a lot of happiness across our state as I was there. Everywhere you looked, you could see evidence that people are ready to get back to work, and they want to get back to life as normal. There's also a lot of evidence that local businesses are ready to get back to normal. You cannot walk 10 feet in Knoxville, Tennessee, for example, without running into a help wanted sign. Normally, this would be an indicator of a successful economic comeback. But here's the problem. Those signs are just not working. Not for retail or restaurants or even for the industrial sector with small business manufacturing. Some business are getting so desperate for help that they're offering signing bonuses worth hundreds of dollars to anyone willing and able to come back to work. Madam President, all year, we've used a particular catchphrase to encourage people to get their vaccinations. We've said that we could only get shots in arms, then we could get back to normal. Well, as it turns out,